standard. First prize goes to S. Pradeep, 4th A. Second prize A. Divya Darshan, 4th A. Third prize goes to B. Vandana, 4th E. Consolation prizes P. Tanshika Sri, 4th C. G. Tanusha, 4th B. Please to encourage them. Fifth standard, first prize goes to N.S. Division 5th D. Second prize goes to N.R. Hasini 5th C. Third prize goes to D.P. Sadiksha 5th B. And consolation prizes goes to C. Chandalika 5th C and R. Hemavardhani of 5th C. Second prize goes to B. Kritika, 6th A. Third prize goes to T. Harshini, 6th B. Consolation prizes goes to M. Pradikshana, 6th B. M.S. Pavan Kumar, 6th B. Third prize goes to G. Dinesh Kumar, 7th B. And consolation prizes N. Shashmita of 7th B. and G. Srinivas of 7th B. Eighth standard, first prize goes to M. Akash, 8th C. Second prize goes to H. Roshini, 8th B. And third prize goes to P. Pradiksha of 8th B. goes to M. Kanishka Jansi of 9th D. Second prize goes to B. Yarini of 9th C. Third prize goes to 9th B. N.